In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on WhatsApp status. Whether you want to share an article, a playlist, an event invite, or your latest post, I'll guide you through a clear, simple process so your audience can tap and visit right away. First, make sure you have the link you want to share. Open the page or app where the link lives, highlight it, and copy it so it's on your clipboard. It helps to quickly glance over the link to confirm it's complete. Look for the full address, including the beginning, so people land on the right page when they tap. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Using the latest version is ideal, but the steps are the same on most versions. From the main screen, go to the Updates tab, which some devices still label as status. This is the place where you post short updates that disappear after 24 hours. Here, you'll see two main ways to create a status. Tap the pencil icon if you want a text-based status, perfect for a clean, simple link. Or tap the camera icon if you prefer a photo or video status. That option lets the link sit with an image or clip, which can catch more attention. Either choice works. Pick the style that fits what you're sharing. Next, paste the link into the status field. On most phones, a long press brings up the paste option. After pasting, give WhatsApp a moment. If the website supports it, you'll see a small preview thumbnail appear beneath the link. This can take a couple of seconds. If no preview shows up, don't worry. The link is still clickable on most devices, and your viewers can open it just fine. A steady internet connection helps the preview load, so a brief pause here is normal. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and post it. Tap Send or Post to publish your status. Your link is now live for your contacts to see for the next 24 hours, and anyone who views your status can tap it to open the page you shared. If you ever spot a typo or want to change the link, simply remove the status and repeat these steps with the corrected link. That's all there is to it. Copy the link, open WhatsApp, go to Updates or Status, choose the pencil or camera, paste, wait for the preview if it appears, and then post. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your links with your audience.